All right. So let's move on to the new chapter. In this new chapter, we're going to talk about everything to do with shopping and eating out. Let's start with some of the essential food vocabulary. So, meat in Japanese. Niku. Oh, I put kanji here. But, you see the furigana right here. Niku. Repeat after me. Niku. Fish. Sakana. Repeat after me. Sakana. Cucumber. Kyuri. Repeat after me. Kyuri. Tomato. Tomato. Repeat after me. Tomato. Potato. Jagaimo. Repeat after me. Jagaimo. Anytime you hear imo, it's related to potato. Like sweet potato in Japanese is satsumaimo. There is like taro. Japanese taro, I think, is satoimo. There's quite a lot of different kinds of potatoes. And then anytime you hear imo, it's related to potato. All right. Apple. Ringo. Repeat after me. Ringo. Very nice. Banana. Very easy. Banana. Repeat after me. Banana. Sugar. Sato. Repeat after me. Sato. Salt. Shio. Repeat after me. Shio. Yeah, so if you go to a ramen restaurant, there's a couple different flavor like shoyu, shio, right? Tonkotsu, shio means salt. Egg. Tamago. Repeat after me. Tamago. Milk. Gyunyu. Repeat after me. Gyunyu. Onion. Tamanegi. Repeat after me. Tamanegi. All right. Now, next time we're going to get into asking, what is this? And we're going to learn something called kosoado kotoba. Kosoado kotoba, in other words, I usually call it pointing words, like pass me that, pass me this, stuff like that. All right. So get ready.